Right, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Mouse Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to set up Edoztunnel VPN. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like the video. That is the only thing we want from you. We just request you to subscribe, to like the video, and then to share. If you get any problem, my comment section is open. So let us start up the tutorial. Step 1, open Google Play Store, and then you're going to download this VPN application, Edoztunnel Pro VPN. This one. Take note of that app icon, take note of the app name. After downloading this application, we request you to install it in your Android device. After, open this application. Now keep in mind that this VPN tutorial is for research, informational, demonstrational, educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. After downloading this application, you're going to allow the permissions that will be requested to you by this VPN application, more so than notification permissions, by checking the allow button. The next step, you're going to come and join the Telegram channel. The reason why you're going to join the Telegram channel, to keep up with the important updates, because they may drop some updates and then you miss out. So join the Telegram channel, and then the next step, you're going to set it now like this. You're going to first come right here in the top left corner, and then check those 3 dashes, and then you're going to come and look for what we call, we're going to look for the update option. But let me first put it in darker mode to protect our eyes from intense or bright light. Now, the next step, we're going to come for the servers right here, and then we're going to choose any of those servers provided that it's near to your country's location. But I recommend my viewers to keep in the best performance. When you keep in the best performance server, it will be looking for a server that performs better and will be connected to that server. Now you're going to come right here where you have direct SSH. Now you're going to try to scroll down. The reason why I'm scrolling down, I'm looking for my country. Now, sorry, I'm going to scroll down, but you can also ease this process by coming where you search from, and then you type in your country's name, just your country's name. For example, you can type in Rwanda. Then, but also I can try this method. If my country supports UDP servers or UDP protocol, I'm going to type in UDP. They're going to be bringing me a list of those UDP protocols, but I'm going to choose this one, or this one, but I recommend you guys to use the first one. When I talk about the first one, I mean this one. That works better. But for those in Uganda, you can try to contact me. I activate for you your SIM cards so you can access some of these services. So choose that one, and then you're going to come where you see that word start. Let me show you. I have my viewers who want to be shown every time. That one start. Give it some few seconds. Allow the VPN service. Give it some few seconds to connect. Now, what if it fails to connect? You're going to do this. Your phone has no problem. You can watch an advert to increase the time. If it fails to connect, your phone has no problem. The problem is here. You're going to try to clear this app from the recent. Try to reconnect again. And also try to clear the app data. can try to clear the app cake. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marstek and I sign out.